Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we will explore Apple's latest AI advancements and operating system updates, Nvidia's market surge, and notable innovations from startups like Kelvin and Linq. Stay tuned for insights on how these developments are shaping the tech landscape. Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference keynote revealed significant AI advancements and operating system updates. Apple Intelligence, the new AI system, integrates generative models into iPhones, iPads, and Macs, enhancing native apps with features like image generation and text summarization. Emphasizing security, it decides between on-device processing and cloud computing. The AI features are free and compatible with iPhone 15 Pro and devices with M1 chips or later. Siri also received a major upgrade, incorporating large language models and integrating with ChatGPT for enhanced query handling. New AI capabilities span Mail, Messages, Photos, Notes, and the Phone app. iOS 18 introduces a customizable control center, a redesigned Photos app, and game mode for optimized gameplay. It also includes support for RCS, scheduled texts, and satellite SMS messaging. Apple TV Plus adds features for actor info, music identification, and automatic subtitles. A new Passwords app manages login details, and the iPad finally gets a calculator app with math notes. macOS updates allow iPhone mirroring and Safari highlights. watchOS 11 introduces vitals and enhanced health metrics, while visionOS 2 offers depth in photos and expanded Vision Pro features. AirPods Pro updates include Siri interactions and voice isolation. OpenAI and Apple have announced a partnership to integrate ChatGPT into iOS, iPadOS, and macOS, as shared at Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference 2024. This integration allows users to access ChatGPT's capabilities, including image and document understanding, directly within Apple's ecosystem. Siri will utilize ChatGPT's intelligence when beneficial, asking for user consent before sending queries, documents, or photos. Responses will be presented directly by Siri. ChatGPT will also enhance Apple's system-wide writing tools, aiding in content generation and image creation in various styles. Privacy is prioritized, with requests not stored by OpenAI and IP addresses obscured. Users can connect their ChatGPT accounts to apply data preferences and access paid features. The integration, powered by GPT-4o, will be available later this year, accessible for free without an account. Nvidia, known for its dominance in AI chips, recently surpassed a $3 trillion market capitalization, outpacing Apple. Nvidia's success is not a bubble. It holds enormous growth potential, driven by innovations like physical AI. This concept, unveiled by CEO Jensen Huang, involves virtual environments where robots learn through simulations of real-world physics. Nvidia's Omniverse platform integrates various technologies, enabling digital twins for real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and more. Already adopted by over a dozen manufacturers, Omniverse is set to revolutionize robotics and autonomous systems. Nvidia leads in AI hardware, software, and solutions for data centers and edge computing, positioning itself as the future powerhouse in AI, automation, and robotics, with no competition in sight. Chinese companies are exploiting a loophole in U.S. export controls on high-performance computer chips, allowing them to use AI-related cloud computing services. These controls, updated in October 2023, aim to limit high-end GPU sales crucial for AI development but omit chips-as-a-service provisions. ByteDance, for instance, uses Nvidia's H100 chips via Oracle's cloud to train AI models. This has led to calls for the Biden administration to tighten rules, possibly requiring providers like AWS and Google Cloud to seek permission before serving Chinese firms. The Cloud AI Act, introduced by U.S. Representative Jeff Jackson, seeks to close this loophole but remains stalled. Experts like Michael Robert caution against blanket bans, advocating for more nuanced regulations to balance national security with broader impacts. Next, let's navigate the complexities of AI regulation. Trust is crucial when discussing AI. Users and executives need to trust the AI and its creators. OpenAI, for instance, has faced scrutiny. Although it claimed GPT-4 scored in the 90th percentile on the bar exam, this was misleading. GPT-4 Prime's actual performance was much lower among licensed attorneys, and it performed poorly on writing sections. Additionally, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has been criticized for misleading the board about safety processes. This erodes trust, especially since AI products have unprecedented data access. Even vendor-implemented guardrails can be circumvented, as shown by the obliteration technique. This makes trust in AI companies and their leaders harder to maintain. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. Kelvin, a French startup founded by Clémentine Lalande, Pierre Joly, and Guillaume Sempé, leverages computer vision and machine learning to streamline home energy assessments. By focusing on renovations, Kelvin addresses the significant impact such projects can have on reducing energy consumption and CO2 emissions. The construction industry, traditionally slow to digitize, stands to benefit greatly from Kelvin's innovative approach. Kelvin uses open data, satellite images, and a proprietary dataset to develop an AI model specialized in home energy assessments. Their technology analyzes building features like adjoining structures, solar panels, and ventilation systems. It also employs a remote inspection tool that guides users on capturing necessary photos and videos, which are then analyzed to detect elements such as radiators, doors, and boiler types. Unlike other methods requiring advanced hardware like LiDAR, Kelvin's solution works with standard photos and videos, making it scalable and accessible. Potential clients include construction companies, real estate firms, and financial institutions. In initial tests, Kelvin's assessments have shown a 5% accuracy rate compared to traditional methods. Flow Computing, a Finnish startup, claims its proprietary companion chip can double CPU performance instantly, with potential boosts up to 100 times through software tweaks. This groundbreaking technology, called the Parallel Processing Unit (PPU), originates from research at VTT, a state-backed Finnish research organization. Flow's solution addresses the fundamental bottleneck of CPUs, their serial processing nature. By acting as a nanosecond-scale traffic manager, the PPU enables faster task handling without increasing clock frequency or power consumption. Unlike existing parallelization methods, Flow's PPU works without modifying legacy code, making it a significant advancement. While the technology requires integration at the chip design level and isn't retroactive, its potential for dramatic performance gains could attract urgent interest from chipmakers. The startup aims to revolutionize computing efficiency, particularly in AI applications. Flow's future hinges on industry adoption, but its innovative approach could disrupt the CPU market if successfully integrated. Linq is a Boston-based startup leveraging generative AI to revolutionize financial analysis and research. Co-founded by MIT alumni Jacob Chanyol Choi and Subin Pang, the company aims to automate tasks like scheduling, communication, scanning research reports, and building financial models through domain-specific search and large language models. Linq's AI can summarize securities filings, earnings reports, and call transcripts, providing a significant productivity boost for hedge fund analysts and institutional investors. What distinguishes Linq from competitors like Bloomberg and S&P is its end-to-end service that manages workflow and streamlines processes. Linq's proprietary data gathering system offers access to a broad spectrum of structured and unstructured data worldwide, including live transcriptions in multiple languages. With backing from investors like Intervest and Atinum, Linq has already partnered with over 20 enterprise customers, including Samsung Financial Network and KPMG US. Jordan Meyer and Matthew Dryhurst founded Spawning AI to empower artists with tools to control how their works are used online. Their latest initiative, Source Plus, curates non-infringing media for AI model training. The project starts with a dataset of nearly 40 million images, primarily from public domain and CC0 licenses. Despite its smaller size compared to other datasets, Source.Plus aims to provide high-quality data for training state-of-the-art image-generating models. Source Plus is designed as a universal opt-in platform, making it easy for rights holders to offer their media for AI training on their terms. The platform meticulously validates image licenses and includes tools to detect and exclude problematic content like nudity and gore. Additionally, it allows artists to set their own prices per download, ensuring fair compensation. Spawning's existing tools, such as Have I Been Trained and AI.Text, support art provenance and usage rights management. Spawning aims to expand Source Plus beyond images to other media types and possibly build its own generative AI models using this dataset. Join us as we step into the world of innovation. Raspberry Pi, renowned for its affordable single-board computers, has gone public on the London Stock Exchange, pricing its IPO at £2.80 per share. Raspberry Pi's ARM-based computers are popular among tech enthusiasts for diverse projects like media servers, retro game consoles, and robotics. Recently, industrial companies have increasingly adopted Raspberry Pi's technology, with this segment now constituting 72% of sales. Since its inception, Raspberry Pi has sold 60 million units. The public company, Raspberry Pi Limited, is a commercial subsidiary of the Raspberry Pi Foundation, which aims to make coding accessible through low-cost computers. Major stakeholders include ARM and Sony Semiconductor Solutions Corporation. ARM plans to increase its stake post-IPO. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlight Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlight Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.